Hello, my name's Kai Brown. Um, gonna be making a hammer kind of thing for my final. So, gonna start off sketch one. We're going to make like a little square kind of thing with both sides being 1.7 inches. All the dimensions are gonna be inches. And then once you have that, you can extrude it also 1.7 inches. And then you'll check that. And now once you have that, you can just fillet all the sides besides like the top ones. It'll make it look a little cooler when we're done. You can do whatever size you want, but for mine I just did 0.5. So just go around, click all the little sides, and yeah, it just makes it look better. Alright, so once you finish that up, we'll move on to the next part. You check that off. Then go to the top view, and I like to use some construction lines around here. It's easier to find like the center of the shape we have, so we make sure we're centering our next shapes. So you can do a construction line across and put a point there, and then we're gonna be putting a circle, center point circle right there. Make it 1.2 inches diameter. And then once you got that, this is gonna be like the handle. So we're going to zoom out and then extrude that circle we just made, and we're going to make it 14 inches. Alright, so it should look something like this. A big pole sticking off our little square bottom. Then you're going to go back to the top view, start sketch 3 on the top of the pole. And now construction lines, just to make this a little easier, we're going to stick out from the center point of the circle, the top, and then we're going to go 2.6 going out one way, and then for long ways it'll go just 6 inches. And then from there, make sure you turn off construction line and and make a rectangle. One side 12, the other 5.2. And then I'd like to delete the construction lines so it helps me think better like that. So you should have a big rectangle, and then once you have that, you're going to extrude it up 5 inches, and it should look something like this: a block on top of the pole. And now we're just gonna add some details with chamfer. So I'm going to do all the sides at 1 inch. So it might take a sec, but it just makes it look a lot cooler, in my opinion. Obviously, the size isn't gonna affect it that much, so you can just do whatever you think looks the best. But for this, I did 1 inch. Miss a side of there. Alright, so now you got something like this. And then, so run another construction line. And, so we're going to do, oh, I forgot this part. So, finish up the chamfers, make sure you got all the sides. And then we're going to go to the top view. And we're going to put a little spike on the top because it's cool. So go construction line, and then just across the center point, you should be able to see a little square. That's how you know you're in the center. And you'll put a point in between the construction line. Get that, and then we want to make a 2-inch center point circle on the center of this rectangle. And then once you have that, you can finish it, and then we'll extrude it. So I'm working up 2 inches, and then it should be a little cylinder right now, but we're gonna fix that. Go to chamfer, and then hit that top circle to make it a spike, and let's see what works the best. So no other number's gonna look as good, just making sure. You're gonna want to do it at just about just 1 inch. Just keep it at 1 inch. Oh yeah, not 1 point. We're just gonna do 1 inch because this is the best looking one. So that's pretty much it. I think it's pretty good. It's nice hammer. Yeah, so that's how it should be like. Got lots of extrudes and chamfers and some fillets. Some at least 3 sketches in there, right? Yeah, four sketches. So I'm gonna change the color to silver because I think it looks cooler. But feel free to change it however you want. Maybe make the handle a different color, but that's about it. So thank you.